Hello guys, in this video we will be looking at Leetcode problem number 3, longest substring without repeating characters. So this is the given problem statement, and it is simply saying that we have to find a longest substring which doesn't repeat any characters, right? So if you see ABC is the longest substring which doesn't repeat any characters, so we get 3. If you go CAB is also a longest string character, so it is like you can find it anywhere, so you have to traverse the whole thing. So for this question I will be doing a brute force algorithm. Let's start working with this. So first of all, if the string is empty, we don't need to do anything, and we can return 0. Then I'll take a max count, that is maximum length of a non-repeating character string. Now what my idea of doing this is, I'll take 2 loops. I'll start looping from the first index, and for each index I will be looping the whole remaining string with another loop, and in between that I'll take a set just to check if I have visited the character previously while going into the second loop. If I have visited that character previously, I'll break out of the second loop and check what the count I have got, and if it is greater than the max count here, I'll replace the max count. Alright, so this is how the code will look like. For I in range length of s. So this previous char set will determine if I have previously visited the character or not, and I will initialize this character with the first character that I am visiting in this loop, right? Then I'll take another variable count. This will be like temporary count for the current substring, so that we can compare that current substring's count with the max count, and it will initialize to 0. Now I'll take the second loop for j in range. Now this loop will begin from I plus 1, and the same as it will end at the same with length of s. I'll check now if the current character, if s of j is in, let's check if s of j not in, like this is a new character, so we can increase the count now, and we can add this character to the pre-chars. Previously visited chars dot add s of j and count plus equal to 1. Now if it is in the previously visited characters, we know that we don't have to go through this loop anymore. We have to break it here only. So if we have previously visited it, we will just break the loop here. Now at the end of this loop, we will check if count is greater than max count. If so, we will update the value of max count. At the end of the loop, we will just return the max count. Let's try to run it. Runtime error, invalid syntax, s of j not in. Oh, s of j not in pre-chars. Finished 2-3. Since we are appending this pre-chars here, we have to initialize the count with 1, because the set count is already 1 here. Now we got 3. Let's see if it is accepted or not. Yes, it's accepted. So this is the code for longest substring without repeating characters. Thank you guys.